Welcome back in online classes. Now today I am going to start with English literature as I have given the summary and explanation of chapter number 1, Annie Bakes a Cake, in part 1. So today I am going to give you the answers for the questions which are given in your textbook. Take out your note copy and note down as I am giving you the answers or questions also, as you all are not having books with you. So that will help you to know more about the chapter. So let's take out your copy and note down. So write down first question. Which sentences in para 1 shows clearly the way Evonia responded to the Allens? And the answer for this question is Evonia opened its heart to them from the start. This line shows the way Evonia responded to the Allens. Question number 2. Look at paras 2 and 3. Do you think Annie was frequently asking Marilla questions? Can you guess whether Marilla was pleased or bored by them? Answer. Annie was asking questions to Mrs. Allen and then she talked about it to Marilla. Marilla was pleased by them and also planned to invite Mr. and Mrs. Allen over for a year. Question number 3. What made Marilla invite the Allens to tea? Para 4. What made her take a lot of trouble preparing the meal? Answer for this question is Marilla wants to invite Mr. and Mrs. Allen home because she has heard that they had been everywhere else in the neighborhood but had not visited the Cuthberts' home yet. Marilla took a lot of trouble to make great preparations because hosting the minister and his wife to tea was an important matter, and Marilla did not want to be outdone by any of the other Avonlea housekeeper. Question number 4. In paras 8 and 9, what contrast can you see between the two girls, Annie and Dinah? Answer for this question is in paras 8 and 9, we can see a huge contrast between the two girls, Annie and Dinah. Annie was very talkative. She talked a lot, but Dinah kept her words very limited. Question number 5. In para 11, what are the things that shows Annie's enthusiasm and efforts? Answer. Annie could not sleep that night and got up early at sunrise. She was determined to make her cake despite having caught a cold from playing in the spring the previous evening. She drew a long breath when she shut the oven door, showing how breathlessly she had been working on the cake and how anxious she was for it to turn out well. Question number 6. Which words in para 20 show that Annie just adored Mrs. Allen? Answer. Annie felt that Mrs. Allen's approving smile was almost too much happiness for this word. These words show that Annie just adored Mrs. Allen. Question number 7. Did Annie herself taste the cake afterwards? How can you tell? Answer. No, she did not, because the text says Annie was red with embarrassment after tasting the cake and she did not expect the cake to taste the way it did. Question number 8. Look at para 31. What was Annie's double disgrace? Answer. Not only had the cake turned out badly due to Annie using anodyne liniment instead of vanilla, but also Annie had failed to smell the contents of the bottle before using them due to her cold. Question number 10. Did Annie go on being miserable for long? Answer: no, because Annie permitted herself to be let down and comforted. The paragraph also says that she enjoyed the evening more than she had expected. So that's all for today. I hope that you understand all the answers. You have to write down in your copy, and when school reopens, you have to bring this copy for correction.